How to remove unused language packs in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to free up storage by deleting languages you no longer need. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Time and Language. From there, click on Language and Region. At this point, find the language pack you want to remove from your installed list. In the next step, click on the three dots next to it. Following this, select Remove. Once done, a confirmation message may pop up letting you know this will delete that language and its features. From here, click Remove again to confirm. At this stage, keep in mind you can't remove your current display language, so switch to a different one first if that's the language you're trying to delete. Keep in mind, removing a language pack also removes any associated speech recognition, handwriting, or text-to-speech data tied to it. Finally, repeat these steps for any other unused language packs you'd like to clear out. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove unused language packs in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.